Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files with PDF.co web API using JQuery. Let's start. First, I'm going to show you the sample PDF files that we're going to use for this tutorial. Now, prepare your sample HTML and JQuery code. Once you're done, you may now open the HTML file that you created with the sample code. To start merging, insert your API key in the text box and upload the PDF files that you're going to use. Then, press Perform Merge. We've successfully merged the two PDFs. As you can see, the two PDFs are now merged into one. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.